What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel, and as you all know, support for Windows 7 officially ended on January, which means that Microsoft wants holdouts to upgrade to Windows 10 to keep devices running securely and smoothly. If you have an older PC or laptop that still runs on Windows 7, you can purchase the Windows 10 home operating system on Microsoft website for a price of $139, but you don't necessarily have to empty your wallet since a free upgrade offer from Microsoft that technically ended in 2016 still works for many people. It should be noted that through this video, I'm going to be showing you can download Windows 10 on your PC, but you should also know that those of you who have Windows 7 or 8 Home license can only update to Windows 10 Home, while those who have the 7 or 8 Pro can only be updated to the Windows 10 Pro. And the bad news is upgrade is not available for Windows Enterprise. Other users may experience blocks as well because it really depends on your machine. With that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the official Microsoft Windows 10 site for its installation. So from here you can download the Windows 10 installer from. So basically the installation of Windows 10 really varies on the speed of your computer and your internet speed. So all you have to do when your file has finished downloading is basically go ahead and open it up. So when you open it up, you'll see a window like this. Just click on accept. And they'll ask you two options. One is to upgrade the PC and the other one is to create installation media on a USB flash drive or anything else for another PC. So if you're going to be installing this application on this PC that you're using right now, click on upgrade this PC and then click on next, and just go ahead and prompt yes for everything that they throw at you. And yeah, at the end of the installation you will be set up with the Windows 10 version. Alright, but before installing the Windows 10 setup, just make sure that you guys have backed up all your applications and files. So for that to happen, I recommend you all go ahead to your settings right here, and from there just go scroll down and go to update and security. Click on that. Alright, so basically what you have to do is go ahead to the backup option right here, click on that, connect an external hard drive, and then you can back up all your important files into that hard drive. And once your Windows 10 installation has finished, you can just go ahead to backup and restore, and you'll get all your files and applications back. So I hope this tutorial was really easy for you all. If you all did like it, make sure to smash that like button down below. And if you have any doubts or any difficulties, make sure to contact me down below through the comment section. If you're interested in the channel, make sure you check out some more videos of mine on my channel. And with that being said, thank you for watching guys. This is Lavotech signing out.